Ready to transform your real estate headshot from drab to fab and attract more clients. First, open your headshot in Adobe Photoshop. Select the Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. It looks like a brush with a selection icon. Carefully brush around the agent in your headshot until the selection covers the entire figure, ensuring a clean edge. Zoom in for detail. Now, click on Select and Mask. This refines our selection, making it look much more professional. In the Select and Mask workspace, slightly increase the smooth and feather sliders to soften the edges of the selection, creating a natural blend. A setting of 2 for both smooth and feather should work. Change the output to drop down to no layer with layer mask and click OK. Next, choose a professional and relevant background image. I am going to be using a modern upscale home interior. Drag your chosen background image into Photoshop and position it below the headshot layer in the Layers panel. Resize and reposition the background to perfectly complement your headshot, creating a visual narrative. And there you have it, a professionally enhanced headshot that elevates your brand and helps you attract new clients. Now, go out there and make a lasting impression.